keep running even with the displays off, or you shut the door, it still keep running. So you have a bad control board, so you need to replace that one. Sometimes could be a lead switch door at most, so you have a bad control. To do that, we need to these two screws off. Then we able to access to remove the top panel. So once we do that, so we can see the control panel. I will show you in all right. So this is the thing what I'm talking about. In 99%, these are the most common. So it doesn't matter. So all kind of Samsung dryer, doesn't matter electric or gas. So if you facing with that kind of issue, so it's keep running. So to do that, so you need to replace that control panel. So which is always, you can go the part number you can find on the control panel. So we good to go now. So we can get the display and it's not running. All right. Okay. And we close now. So let me, I didn't replace the control panel, but there's a trick. So if you're struggling, but you have to replace it, because this trick is held for a week or 2 weeks, then it's out again. So to do that, so you need to unplug all wire, disconnect it. So let's turn off this one. So disconnect all connection wire. Then you can tap it with a a screwdriver, especially those relay. So these two are the most common problem. Somehow they get shorted between these two. So and once they get shorted, they through the electric just keep running. So that's most tap it few times, and most of the time the problem self out temporarily. Sometimes it goes 2-3 months, 4 months, but sometimes just 2 weeks is out again. So if it's necessity, just do that way. Otherwise, replace the whole part. And hope this video help out. Again, most Samsung are the same issue. So you can replace it, or you can do temporary tap on them. So it just help for the way I explained, couple months or couple weeks, then out again. So which is, I just suggest replace it. The trick I show, because I'm going to part this one. So I'm gonna part it out, keep him. So I may list him some on eBay, or the rest, which is most of the time I use Samsung. So I'm just gonna keep him, few things I need, then the rest I'm gonna part it out. So that was a trick I show you. Help that. I hope that why I crack it. I hope that this video help out, and see you on next videos. Alrighty. So to do that, I'm just thinking. So tap it to the side. A couple times. Take easy with these small one, but these two are the most the problem. Sometimes you can cut it off from side, so I'm not suggest to do that. That's the way I explain, it's temporary. So this is a quick trick. So if you order the part and you have some laundry to dry, so this is a quick trick, you can do it. Then once the new one arrives, then you can replace it. Yeah, just tap it few times all around and put it back. So in most of the time it's work, which is I just show, but sometimes it doesn't. You just need to replace, the whole part.